Here are 3 tips for selling your crafts. Tip number 1 is to choose a platform that isn't going to cost a bunch of money in fees. Tedooo is an app where you can list and sell your crafts for 0 seller fees. When you have a new business, having to pay high seller fees can be so discouraging because it takes a big chunk out of your profit. So the fact that there's no seller fees with Tedooo is a huge perk. Tip number 2 is to connect with other crafters because we can all learn so much from each other. Tedooo is also for social networking, and there are groups that you can join where you can get ideas and inspiration from your peers. And tip number 3 is to make your customer feel appreciated. Don't underestimate the power of a simple handwritten thank you note tucked into their order. It's these little things that help your customer feel good about the fact that they're supporting a small business. And making these special connections means that they're more likely to turn into a repeat customer.